Today when Masvingo Central once again, what 23 Paru PK. These are the citizens. Unfortunately, ZANU-PF is here again. They're trying to disrupt our rally again. They are following us wherever we go. Today they actually brought a lorry full of people and PA system. As you can see, these are the citizens this side, and this is ZANU-PF the other side. This is a police cleared rally. We have a police clearance, but ZANU-PF is just here to disrupt the rally. But the rally haisi kuzomira. Rally inongoenda mberi, rally haisi kuzomira. That's champion at my own stage, standing beside our honorable advocate Moses Mavaire.
ZANU-PF has failed to understand that they signed a code of conduct which prohibits them from disturbing other political party activities or from disturbing other candidates from doing their activities. However, the team remain resolute. If you take a look onto what is happening, the team ZANU-PF is following each and every CCC rally, but you see that they will not win that because the team is determined. The team is ready to actually continue with mobilization. The team is ready to actually continue with its activities, its rallies and its meetings, talking to the people, conscientizing the people. But you see that the few people who are attending those ZANU-PF, those CCC rallies, the few ZANU-PF people who are attending, at the end you see them being contagious, because once you speak something which is right, they will learn from you. So let us continue to fight for change. Let us continue to be united. I thank the team from Masvingo Central for doing the right thing, for doing a great job.